talking about our word of the week, rooster. And he's just hanging out on my tractor. He's so silly. How about we read a book about a rooster and see how many roosters we can find in our book today? Oh, farm alarm. Uh-oh. What's going on with that rooster? Let's see. Each new day in the morning sun, there's the sunshine, a rooster wakes up everyone. His first stop is in the pigsty to wake up the piggies. Oink, oink, oink. Well, let's see. Oh, he's gonna come and dozing sheep huddle in their flock. Then the rooster crows, it's 6 o'clock. Get up, no time to sleep. There's lots to do, you snoozy sheep. Oh, he's sleeping. Get up, says the rooster. Off to the stable, rooster heads to find the horses back in their beds. Oh, rooster crows, wake up, it's dawn. The horses shake their manes and yawn, and they go, neigh! Ooh. The cow still needs a morning call, so rooster crows to wake them all. There's our rooster. Time to wake up, rise and shine, quick, or you'll miss breakfast time. Oh, they're gonna miss breakfast time. Get up, cows. Moo. The last stop rooster likes the best. Home to the hen house for a rest. Oh, there's our rooster. Here's our other rooster. And look at all the baby chickens. Beep, 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 beep. And there's the daddy rooster. And there's the mommy rooster. And the birdies, they go. In time to hear his chicks all say, we're wide awake, Dad, time to play. Oh, they're all like beep, 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 beep. The end.